What are the chances ka Solid North ang makakita ti naruay ang dolphin ititeng nga ti taaw? Tigagangay laing ko mga aldaw tinagbalin ang maysa ka ti most unforgettable days ni Cliff apaman ang naparburan isuna ti naisangsangayan a kapadasan.
So till 7, agpulpuligos kami EJ Baser. Babe, batog Pagudpud, Banggi ken Burgos kami sir, medyo natao ngamin. So, 2 hours nga agpulpuligos kami sir, medyo nag-give up kami. Ada na kita DJ fisherman, tayo nag-drive yung boat, nga adda, tulingan when no dumadara, iti language tayo. So kung ano, ada tulingan ditan, adda dolphin. So DJ napandakinitan. After few minutes, ada giant sir. As in nagadunga dolphin sa baliwen.
Nung man nagtrabaho isunay ti maysa a balay pagagasan iti ili ti Pagudpud, kuna nang imununan nga arapaap na ti agbalin ang manggalap, arasun met nga asideg ti rignanay ti kabaybayan. Nupay kasta, daytoy pay laeng ti umunagod daway ang makita na ti asideg di iti maibilang ang maysa ka di ti kalalaingan na parasway ti kabaybayan. Ita, bitbitnan ti naisangsangayan na kapadasan.
Simgar amin nga dot medyo raw video mi sir kat na po kami agad area kami kasi sabal feeling na talaga makita ng dolphin. Actually, roughly 50 kasi sabal-sabaling nga location sir. Hambot nga agaguddan nga nagparang sabal-sabaling nga area sir. Makiayayam da kani kadye bangka makilinlinumba da sir. So take term da nga lumba-lumba kung nadano ka sir. Kasi lumba-lumbat kung nada kay dolphin ito'y native nga language tayo kasi makilinlinumba da kan kadigay motor. So makininayam da siguro sir.
Dagitoy met grupo ken colleague ni Cliff ti immuna nagturong iti taaw ken isulat ti immuna na pagasatan ti dolphin encounter. So magmamanog adakwada ti aggapu page America ken imay dalaeng ditoy kas missionary. At adda nagbalin ang naragsak ti panagyanda ditoy gapu tinayon na kapadasan asaan dantupulos a malipatan.
I wasn't really scared, but I did think for a second that we weren't going to see any because we had to ride around for a while. And at first I was thinking like, man, maybe we won't see them this morning. And then all of a sudden we like turned and started going towards one of the other boats and they're like, they see dolphins. I was like, whoa, how did they know? But then we got over there and there must have been like 20 or 30 dolphins jumping and it was super cool.
Our boat actually like stopped working for a little bit too, but then that went back up and it was fine. And I was getting a little discouraged, but then after a little bit, like we started turning around going back to shore and I thought that was it. But then, yeah, we saw the dolphins jumping out of the water and it was really cool to see. That was my first time like seeing dolphins in the wild as well.
There's something different about seeing them in their natural habitat with my own 2 eyes. It just gave me an even deeper appreciation for the Philippines, but specifically this region and just all there is to offer. The wildlife, the people, the beaches. It's just such a beautiful area with so many wonderful, unique things, and it was just a really special thing to be a part of.
Kas kaditi kakadwa na nagturong iti taaw, daytoy met ti umanagon daway ang makita ni Let's ti dolphin iti asideg. Saan na may lemeng ti ragsak na?
DJ Dolphin circuit naaman mi kadagiti kaubraan mi nga napan nagboting-boting ket nakakita da iti dolphins kano. Iso nga inayaban nangaramid kami mat iti grupo mi nga mapan kitain dagiti dolphin. Itatan na ranaan mi mat iso da sir.
Patsyan diti nakasarsarita mi ang napintas no mapadas met ti daduma ang makakita ka di dolphin iti taaw. Napintas pa'y dayti kunada awagas tapnon matulungan digiti mga lapit ili. Ngem pinasingkitan da ano man nagbalin a regular nga aktibidad daytoy nasken ati prioridad ket di kinatalged ti kabaybayan ken digiti dolphin.
And I also think it's really great not for the government to offer a service, but also for people to support the local fishermen, to pay the fishermen to take them out there because the fishermen are the ones who are familiar with the dolphins' behavior. The fishermen are the ones who know how to be respectful of the dolphins. And so it's good to share that, but also to be respectful of the dolphins and how we interact with them.
I think balance dapat sir. Mayat nga the opportunity nga makita tayo digay kasi nagpintas nga view sa baltrik na and at the same time being responsible of kadijay nga event no ka sir.
Kas kada tayo, dagiti dolphin ken daduma pay alames ket addaan ti biag. Ngem gaputa da tayo at tao ti adda kabaelan na. Saan tayo nga usaren daytoy amang dangran kadakwada, ngem ket di gundaway daytoy tapnon sa lakniban ida. Mark Magdirila, Balitang Solid North.